Introducing the Cuisinart Coffee Maker, the ultimate brewing companion for coffee lovers. With its sleek design and innovative features, this coffee maker is a must-have for any kitchen. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its ability to deliver hotter coffee without compromising on taste. Using expert coffee-making technology, it ensures that your coffee temperature is perfect, giving you a delightful taste experience every time. But that's not all. With the brew strength control, you can tailor your coffee flavor to perfection. Choose between regular or bold settings to cater to your unique taste preferences with every brew. Convenience is key with the fully automatic coffee brewer. With 24-hour programmability, you have the flexibility to set your brewing time in advance. It also offers 1 to 4 cup settings, auto-off functionality, and an optional ready alert tone for added convenience. And when it comes to serving size, the 14-cup glass carafe has got you covered. Indulge in generous servings of coffee with its decorative stainless steel handle and matching body, adding a touch of style to your kitchen appliances. Filling the coffee maker is a breeze with the easy-to-view water window, ensuring accurate water filling. And with Cuisinart's Brew Pause feature, you can enjoy a cup of coffee even before the brewing cycle completes, enhancing your coffee drinking experience. Please note that this product is designed for use with US electrical plugs. If you're using this product internationally, make sure to check compatibility and consider using an adapter or converter. Experience the perfect cup of coffee with the Cuisinart Coffee Maker. Order yours today and elevate your coffee game.